Good morning students, welcome my channel Bhuloks Mathematics. Last class I have already discussed about some formulas related to integration by parts. Let us come and start some new formulas related to integration by parts. Write down type integration of root over of a square minus x square into dx. This is I. Okay. To take this is I. This is one type. S square minus x square root over. So it is the product of 1 here. 1 into this. So you choose. This is the first function u and this is the second function v. Okay. So applying the integration by parts. First means s square minus x square into integration of dx minus integration of derivative of first means s square minus x square root over into integration of dx whole into dx. Okay, so integration of dx is x. So we get s square minus x square into x minus integration of derivative of s square minus x square root over is 1 by 2 s square minus x square into derivative of this s square minus x square d dx of chain rule s square minus x square into dx integration is x whole into dx. Okay, so here we take x square s square minus x square minus integration of 1 by 2 root over of s square minus x square derivative of s square constant that is 0 derivative of x square that is minus 2x into x dx. So 2 is to cancel. Okay, now it is x into x that is minus x square. X into s square minus x square. Here integration of minus x square. Minus x square means you have to add a square. It is minus x square minus s square root over of s square minus x square into dx. So s square added and subtracted. Here it is x into x that is minus x square. So we have to add s square and minus s square. So this by this minus this by this. This is the break into two integrals. So write down x into s square minus x square. So minus integration of s square minus x square divided by s square minus x square into dx minus integration of s square divided by s square minus x square into dx. Okay, so here it is s square minus x square. So here it is s square minus x square root over. So cancelling we get that is x root over of s square minus x square. So now minus. So we get here s square minus x square into dx. So minus plus that is a square is the constant. So integration of dx by s square minus x square. Okay, we know one formula, standard formula, that is the formula of, so write down, it is x s square minus x square. So this is I is repeated here, it is minus I. Same integration is repeated here, I is repeated as this, so this integral is repeated here. So here it is s square. Here it is s square. So integration of dx upon a square minus x square root over, that is sine inverse x by a plus it is c. So when this I will go to that side, so I plus I is equal to x root over of a square minus x square. Here it is plus a square sine inverse x by a plus c. Okay, I plus I, that is 2y. So 2 will be divided there. I is equal to 1 by 2 x by 2 root over of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. So this is the formula. This is the very important formula for this integral. Okay, so you remember, this is the formula. This is the formula. Integration of s square minus x square root over is equal to x by 2 s square minus x square root over plus s square by 2 into sine inverse x by a. Okay, now using this formula we have to work out some problems. So write down some problems. So you remember, this is the formula. Remember, write down, remember. Integration of s square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into s square minus x square plus s square by 2 into sine inverse x by a plus c. This is very important formula. Okay. Now using this formula, how can you work out some problems? Write down one example. Integration of 4 minus x square into dx. 4 minus x square dx. Here it is a square, means 4. So that is the formula applied directly. X by 2, 4 minus x square plus s square by 2. S square is 4. 4 by 2 sine inverse x by 2 plus c. So this is the answer. This is the answer. So how can you apply this formula? So write down an application problem. Write down one application problem. Let us take another example. Write down integration of cos x root over of 9 minus sine square x dx. Okay, how can you work out this type of problems? First of all, you have to take this sine x is equal to t. Write down sine x is equal to t. Sine x is equal to t. Once you take, means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. So we get dt by dx. That is d dx of sin x. So we know the derivative of sin x, that is cos x. So write down it is cos x. So dt is equal to cos x into dx. Okay. So now this integral becomes, in place of cos x dx, in place of cos x dx, we have to put dt. In place of sin x, we have to put t. So we get integration over 9 minus t square into dt. Okay. Now applying this formula, in place of a square, it is 9. So applying that formula, it is t by 2, 9 minus t square plus s square by 2 means 9 by 2, 9 by 2 sine inverse t by a means it is 3 plus c. Okay. So putting now value of t, that is sin x. So we get sin x by 2 root over of 9 minus sin square x plus 9 by 2 sin inverse t. In place of t, you have to put sin x by 3. This is plus c. Okay, so this is the answer. This is the answer. Let us take another example. Write down another example. Integration over, write down, that is e to the power x root over of 25 minus e to the power 2x into dx. Okay, so how can you integrate this? So first of all, you have to take e to the power x is equal to t. Write down e to the power x is t. Write down the answer. Put e to the power x is equal to t. Write down e to the power x as t. Once you take means you have to differentiating on both sides with respect to x. We get dt by dx is equal to d dx of e to the power x. We know that the derivative of e to the power x, that is e to the power x. So dx multiplied there. dt is equal to e to the power x into dx. Okay. Now in place of e to the power x dx, we have to put dt. So in place of e to the power x, we have to put t. So that will becomes integration over 25 minus, it is t square into dt. Now applying this formula, that is t by 2 25 minus t square plus s square by 2. S square means 25 by 2 sin inverse t by 5 plus c, because s square is equal to 25, a will be 5. Now in place of t, we have to put e to the power x. So we get e to the power x by 2 25 minus e to the power 2x plus 25 by 2 sin inverse e to the power x by 5 plus c. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. So now integration of a to the s square minus x square root over, that is x by 2 s square minus x square root over plus s square by 2 into sin inverse x by a. Okay, thank you to all for watching my videos. If you likes my classes, please subscribe my channel, likes my channel and share my channels. Hey, phone